If you want to unlink your WhatsApp account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. This process can help enhance your privacy and manage your social media connections. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to unlink from Facebook. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right tab for iOS to open the menu. Select settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Navigate to account. In the settings menu, find and tap on the account option. This section contains various settings related to your account management. Step 4. Select linked accounts. Look for the linked accounts or linked devices option within the account settings. This will show you the accounts that are currently linked to your WhatsApp. Step 5. Unlink Facebook. Find the Facebook account listed and select the option to unlink or disconnect it. Confirm your choice when prompted to complete the unlinking process. After following these steps, your WhatsApp account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.